If you're experiencing issues with syncing your FIFA 24 account, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you enable account synchronization effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the account sync from functioning properly. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that FIFA 24 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your gaming platform store and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Restart the game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the sync issue. Step 4. Verify account credentials. Log into your FIFA account and verify that your credentials are correct. Ensure that you're using the same account you wish to sync with and that there are no typos in your login information. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to EA Sports Support for assistance. They can provide further troubleshooting steps or help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to enable account synchronization in FIFA 24. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.